end, log into Edmodo, and then the sheets of paper that we gave you, the second slide has the code I need you to put in.
Rubric 1, Level 4. How do the candidates build students' conceptual understanding and mathematical reasoning or problem-solving skills? In this section, Sarah really does a good job of this. She gets the students to interact by using their Edmodo, and they take a poll on how much they know about the Pythagorean theorem.
So while you guys are logging on and doing the poll, I'm going to give you
Rubric 3, Level 4. How does a candidate use knowledge of his or her students to justify the instructional plans? So I answered that question by assuming that my audience didn't know anything about the Pythagorean theorem. So this way I gave them some background information on how it came to be and why we still use it today. So this way they knew why they were learning what we were teaching them about.
and then they kind of spread all out, and he had taught them to other people. They were like pure people. I think it says up there like they only ate beans.
And B stand for, what are sides are they?
The two sides that are not.
Yep. And what does EC stand for? Hypotenuse. Okay.
Rubric 14, Level 4. How does the candidate analyze students' use of language to develop content understanding? Megan does a good job of this by using a lot of the vocab that comes along with the Pythagorean theorem. She introduces the word hypotenuse, which is side C, and explains what the two legs are. And then she also explains what a squared plus b squared equals c squared is, which is the equation they need to use to solve the problems. So now when the students see these words on their tests or exams, they'll know what they mean.
Let's break up into groups of 3. There's there.
Just don't draw.
Yeah, don't draw it.
So you draw your numbers.
Rubric 7, Level 4. How does the candidate actively engage students in developing conceptual understanding, procedural fluency, and problem-solving skills? This is Steven's part of our group lesson, and he does a really good job of engaging the students in what's going on. He introduces the calculator app on the iPads, which is a great way to get them involved in what we're doing. And we also hand out laminated triangles to all the students in the class, so this way they're physically writing on them and absorbing all the information that they're learning.
We're going to start out by measuring some triangles to see if this.
We're on 2.
Rubric 12, Level 4. What type of feedback does the candidate provide to guide learning? During this time, they're taking the assessment, so we're all walking around, encouraging them that they can do it, and letting them know that we're there if they need any kind of help. So we're just giving them a lot of positive feedback at this point. And we also ask at the very end of the presentation if they have any questions, to feel free to ask us and we'll help them out.
If you have any other questions, do you have any questions, anybody?
Nope.